Hello and welcome to a new morning briefing presented by Stein Investments. In today's video, I'll make it as short as possible and want to cover only 2 points. The first one is a new gold trading strategy, and the second one are the next steps for easy insight. And I hope you stick with us until the end of this video because it will be interesting. So let's start with the current market analysis here. You see the total trading volume is running sideways all day long, and that's pretty much the same we already observed yesterday. The last very good trading day has been the 20th for us, and I posted the profitable gold trades from our AI analysis already in the news channels and on MQL5. And in case you missed it, just drop me a line and I'll point you to the correct links. So, that said, gold is indeed a world on its own because it presents and provides great and stable one-sided moves even if the rest of the market looks like this here. And I noticed this today and started with the focus mode to get a more clear insight on what's going on here. And I would say we can drop the total volume because it's not relevant for this approach. And we can also drop this total volume here because it's not relevant either, because this covers the entire Forex market and this isn't so relevant for the gold trading pairs. So what remains left is the net long change and the FX power strength analysis, both for gold and for the US dollar. And so I created a new chart and already switched from an 8 hours analysis to a 4 hours analysis because it's a bit more responsive, and the net long change in this example provides more the big picture. And I will explain you what I'm looking for. So the best tool to bring this information in line with the price chart is Crosshair, our advanced Crosshair. It's far superior than the default MetaTrader one, and with this one you can bring the price in line with the indicator data. And what we are looking for is a strength pattern where gold is on the positive side here above the zero level and the US dollar is on the negative side below the zero level, and which is confirmed by the net long change. So we are looking for both a positive change in strength and in net long volume, and on the opposite side for a negative change of the net long and a negative strength. And here is a very good example where these are in line, and pretty much before this move happened, there you see net long of gold changed to the downside while the strength analysis was still on the positive side, but then it switched quickly to the downside as well. And then they are both in line. With the US dollar on the opposite side, we have a very smooth move here to the downside, which currently ended already. So this is kind of a rejection here. It's probably found a support level here. And as soon as gold drops back down here to the negative side of the FX power scale, it could be a great opportunity for a re-entry as long as this net long change situation persists, with gold on the negative side and the US dollar on the positive side. I scrolled back to find more of these patterns, and this one is another example where gold was positive, US dollar negative in terms of strength, and the net long change confirmed this, and you get an outstanding move here to the upside. There's almost no drawdown in this situation. You can use a pretty tight stop here. This is an M5 chart, and you can just trade it to the upside. There are many, many more of these examples, and of course there are examples where it doesn't work or where the entry came pretty late here. This has been an AI-based trade based on the information easy insight exports, and in this example you see this wouldn't have worked here. There was a drop to the downside, very short. So yes, it doesn't work always, but that's not our expectation. But it's a pretty simple pattern based on two excellent indicators. FX power is the first one, which provides an immediate reaction to market changes, and FX volume, which provides you a more bigger picture, and the retail trading sentiment based on live trading data. And this is indeed a great filter to avoid overtrading and trading in terms of a bigger and more solid trend. So probably combined with a rising total trading volume, these moves are even more stable with a higher win rate. But I can only encourage you to have a closer look and try yourself, experiment with the settings, because this seems fairly simple to me. And as I switched back to the beginning of the chart now, you see the reversal seems to be ending here, and we probably might see a continuation of this move to the downside. If you come across these tools for the very first time, I can only encourage you to have a closer look at our central information hub. Welcome at Stein Investments, which provides everything we have to offer for your trading success, like our YouTube channel, like some interesting articles, proven trading strategies for every trader level, and even AI-powered analysis here, where we already received the first very positive reviews the last days, and I'm extremely amazed how people use that and what they make out of it. Here is just one example a user from us shared with us today, and he did this AI analysis with Claude based on the data easy insight provided to him. He just uploaded it and received, based on a modified AI prompt, an amazing analysis, which then leads to informed decisions when it comes to trading. So if you didn't came across easy insight yet, I can only recommend it. You'll find it here in chapter 3 of our central information hub. You'll find the link to this page right down below this video, and there is also a link to the Easy Insight FAQ, which answers most of your questions and offers a free demo package as well. And in case there is still something unclear, you are always welcome to drop us a line. That's pretty much it for today. We are working on the upcoming updates for Easy Insight, which will then cover all asset classes provided by your MetaTrader terminal, and these things will definitely become amazing. So, and I'll take the chance to remind you, the current introductory prices for Easy Insight will end on Sunday, so this is the last reminder from our side. Maybe we'll post something on the news channels as well, but the time of cheap pricing here in terms of Easy Insight will definitely end on Sunday, and we have to slightly increase them due to the extreme workload we currently have to include all the indices, cryptocurrencies and other asset classes to make them work and be exportable for your AI analysis. And so with this tool and your preferred AI provider, you can analyze any asset you like and trade any asset class you like. And we are pretty proud of that and looking forward to it. So now I'm really at the end of this video. Wish you a great day and catch you in the next one.